In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move items between Notion pages. This is a really simple but powerful skill that can keep your workspace organized and help you clean things up as your notes, tasks, and projects grow over time. Maybe you started writing something in the wrong place, or you've decided to create a new page just for a specific topic. Instead of copying and pasting, Notion gives you a very quick way to move blocks from one page to another. First, open the Notion page that contains the item you want to move. This could be any kind of page: a notes page, a project dashboard, a database page, or even a simple to-do list. Take a moment to scroll until you can see the block you want to move. In Notion, almost everything is a block, whether it's a paragraph, a heading, a to-do item, an image, or an embedded file. Now, move your mouse over that item. You should see a small handle appear on the left side of the block, usually represented by 6 dots arranged in 2 columns of 3. This 6-dot icon is Notion's drag handle and options menu for that specific block. Right-click directly on those 6 dots. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options related to that block. In that menu, look for the option that says Move To and click on it. This is the feature that lets you send the selected block to another page in your workspace. After clicking Move To, Notion will open a small panel or search box where you can choose the destination. Here, you can either scroll through the list of pages or start typing the name of the page you want to move the item to. As you type, Notion will filter the results and make it easier to find the right page. When you see the page you want, simply click on it to select it. As soon as you select the destination page, Notion will automatically move that block out of the current page and place it into the page you chose. To confirm it worked, you can open that destination page and scroll to the bottom or to where Notion has inserted the block, and you should see your item there, fully intact and ready to edit. That's all there is to it. By opening your page, right-clicking on the 6 dots, choosing Move To, click on, and selecting a destination page, you can quickly reorganize your content and keep your Notion workspace clean and logical.